Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to my Makeup Wednesdays. Now today we are going to be doing a very natural and the easiest eyeshadow you can ever do. So if you want to learn how to do the easiest eyeshadow in the entire world, then keep on watching. This is the easiest natural everyday eyeshadow that you're ever gonna do in your entire life, and you only need one product. So you only need bronzer, and I'm gonna be using W7's Honolulu bronzer, and it looks like this one. And I'm going to be taking a round fluffy brush like this one, and I'm gonna be dipping a little bit in here and then just angle it in the outer corner like this one. And then bring it up into the crease. And make sure you get the outer corner of your lower lash. You don't want to go too far in on your lower lash because you just want this eyeshadow to connect to your lower lash, and that's all you need. And then you do the same on the other side. Now I'm going to be taking a fluffy flat brush that looks like this one, and I'm just going to be blending out the harsh lines. And you want to angle it upwards, so basically like this. This is how you want to angle it. And because it's a natural eyeshadow, the fact that it goes a little on the outside of the line doesn't really matter as long as it's not a harsh line, because what we're doing is creating a little bit of shadow here. That's the only thing we're doing, and a little bit of color that gives your eyes that nice little shape, but in a natural way. And you kind of want to have a either rounded triangle right in the other corner or a actual triangle. It depends on how you want. Today I'm going for a more rounded look just because I want it to be a little softer, not so harsh. And blend on the other side. And because it is your bronzer that already matches the rest of your face, it just looks like you add a little bit of shadow and as well shape the eye to be a little bit more lifted because of the technique that we used and the style that we used. So now I just want to finish this off by with mascara. So I'm going to be curling my lashes. Now, because this is an everyday makeup, you can decide yourself if you want to do your upper and your lower lashes, but I always just do my upper lashes just because I feel like that suits me the best. But I am going to be using Maybelline's the Colossal, and it looks like this. And then I'm going to finish off my look by adding some highlights in the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm just going to use the color Silver, and I'm just using one that is from the H&M's eyeshadow palette. Just use whatever golden silver color that you use that is not too dark, because you want to highlight, not darken. And I like to always put a little on the tip of my nose, nothing too much, just a little. I'm gonna finish it all off by setting it, so I'm gonna be using Maybelline's. I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution's Sport Fix, and it looks like this. And I always like to dab that in for extra security and extra blending. So this is the finished look. This is what it looks like. This is my everyday go-to eyeshadow where I don't actually have to put on eyeshadow. It just looks like I have, and it brings extra definition to my eyes, and I feel like it enhances my eyes a lot better. So that is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, please leave a like down below, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. Usually my makeup Wednesdays, I publish them every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Norwegian time, which means it's going to be around 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. New York time, because I do believe they're 6 hours behind. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!